Hi guys, David and David here from Payette4.com and Upphone.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to increase the font size on your iPhone.
Now, even though this setting is in accessibility, which is generally geared toward people who might have visual disabilities, increasing the font size is a good idea for anybody, so younger people, older people alike. Let's show them how to do it.
Great. So we're going to open the Settings app. We're going to scroll down to General, tap Accessibility. And here you will see larger text. Tap right on that. So you can just slide this nice little slider, and as you can see, my font size is getting bigger.
Progressively bigger.
You could also make it smaller. I mean, I don't really recommend that. It's kind of hard to read.
I have seen that before, but I don't do that.
And you know, if you ever want to reset it, it's just go right back to the one in the middle. That's the standard font size. So that's how you do it in the accessibility settings.
You can make it bigger though. Let's show them how. Larger accessibility sizes.
How about that?
If you need to, you can really bump up the font size on your iPhone.
And the one thing we've noticed is that people say, oh, iPhones aren't great for seniors because the text is too small. We'll just show them this feature.
Yeah, there's all these companies that are trying to sell flip phones to seniors, and they say, they can't see anything anymore. But I'm telling you, this is bigger text than you're going to get on any flip phone with a 2-inch screen.
Right, so I'm just going to turn larger accessibility sizes off just for the sake of this video because it's kind of hard for me to read. I'm going to set it back to normal. One more thing I want to show you real quick in accessibility settings, if we tap back to accessibility, is you can make the text bold by turning on this switch. I'm not going to do it in this video because it restarts your iPhone when you turn on bold text, but
it makes all the text bold.
It makes the text bolder. So that's important to know.
If you've got friends that have iPhones and you're like, why is all the text really bold on their iPhone? That's how they did it.
One more trick we want to show you in terms of increasing the font size on your iPhone. Let's go back to General and let's go back to Settings. You can add the text size slider to Control Center on your iPhone in the Settings app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Settings main menu and I'm going to tap Control Center. And I'm going to tap Customize Controls and look for text size. Tap that green little plus button. There it is. Now if I open Control Center by swiping down from the upper right hand corner of the screen on my iPhone 10 or 10s or 10R or 10s Max, iPhone 8 and earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. See those two little A's? That is how you increase the font size. So if we tap on that, we can bump things up and it gets a little bit bigger. As we said before, the larger accessibility settings can make it even larger than this, but this is a pretty large font size for most people.
Yeah, for most people, this is going to be big enough, and if it gets too big, it actually becomes more difficult to use your iPhone.
Sure, absolutely.
This is going to work for pretty much everybody, and I didn't know how to do that, so thanks for teaching me.
Well, there you go. Yeah, there's a new tip.
Pretty cool.
Now that the iOS Control Center is now customizable, you can add a whole bunch of stuff to it. A lot of cool stuff.
Yep.
So that is how you increase the text size, the font size on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know, do you like bumping up the font size on your iPhone?
Or do you like making it smaller? This
is also a really funny trick you play on your friends. You know, you get into a fight, you bump up the font size on their iPhone, it's too big, or you can make it too small.
Yeah.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to get an alert every time we upload a new video.